లోక్సభ సమావేశాలు జరుగుతున్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Former Power Minister has mentioned about the Raipur-Sholapur link. I would like to inform him that while in February 14 the line got executed, the synchronization with the grid happened in August 2014 when the second circuit was put up, and that is how you finally create a one nation, one grid scenario in August 2014. Obviously, if we had had enough transmission lines set up over the last 10 or 5 years, then the situation wouldn't have been such that southern states in India are suffering for want of power, and we have surplus power in the north and eastern region. DVC today has 3,000 megawatt of power for which there are no takers. The states which need it in south don't have transmission lines, and transmission lines have to be planned well in advance, keeping a futuristic scenario. As regards bundling of power, we have made a beginning, we have made an honest beginning, not to say that Punjab, Haryana will not get that unallocated power. Every state in the country gets unallocated power based on a defined criteria, based on the peak hour shortage that they have, based on the season. So when Andhra had the Hud cyclone, we gave them 200 megawatt extra for that period till lines were set up. When Jammu Kashmir has winter, they need more power, we give them more power. Having said that, it's quite reasonable that the nation also becomes a part of this effort for a cleaner environment, and we socialize that cost across the nation.
Yes. Question hour is over. Now papers to be laid on the table. Shri Suresh Prabhu to lay on the table copy of the white paper.
Madam,
Yes.
I beg to lay a copy of the white paper on Indian Railways, Hindi and English versions, on the table of the House as mentioned at item number 2 in today's revised list of business.
Yes. Shri Savarlal ji Jat.
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्य व्यवहार की सूची के क्रम संख्या 3 में मेरे सहयोगी माननीय जल संसाधन, नदी विकास और गंगा संरक्षण मंत्री के नाम के सामने उल्लिखित कागजात सभा पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहूँगा।
श्री अनंत गीते.
अध्यक्ष महोदया, मुझे आज की संशोधित कार्य सूची में मेरे नाम के सामने क्रम संख्या 4 पर सूचीबद्ध कागजात सदन के पटल पर रखने की अनुमति प्रदान करें।
चौधरी वीरेंद्र सिंह जी.
I like to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against my name at serial number 5 of today's Lok Sabha revised list of business.
श्री संतोष कुमार गंगवार जी.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table of the House paper mentioned against my name as serial number 6 at today's revised list of business.
श्री पीयूष गोयल जी.
Madam Speaker, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 7 of today's revised list of business.
श्री सावरलाल जी जाट.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आज की कार्य व्यवहार की सूची के क्रम संख्या 8 में अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित कागजात सभा पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ।
श्री पी राधाकृष्णन जी.
Madam, with your permission, I beg to lay on the table a copy each of annual report, review statement and notification in English and Hindi mentioned against my name at serial number 9, 5, 1, 2, 6 and 7 in the revised list of business.
Report of Standing Committee, Shri P.P. Chaudhary.
Madam, I beg to lay the 74th report, Hindi and English version of the Standing Committee on Personnel, Public Grievances, Law and Justice on the tribunals, appellate tribunals and other authorities' conditions of service bill 2014.
Statements by Minister Shri P. Radhakrishnan ji.
With permission, I beg to lay on the table statement mentioned against my name at serial number 11, 1 and 2 in the revised list of business. The status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 2006 and 207th report of the Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture on demands for grants 2013 and 14 pertaining to the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways and Ministry of Shipping respectively.
Yeah. Motions for election to committee, Shri Murli Manohar Doshi ji. Yes.
महोदया, मैं निम्नलिखित प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि इस सभा के सदस्य लोकसभा के प्रक्रिया तथा कार्य संचालन नियमों के नियम 311 द्वारा अपेक्षित रीति से 1 मई 2015 से शुरू होकर 30 अप्रैल 2016 को समाप्त होने वाली अवधि के लिए सदन की प्राक्कलन समिति के सदस्य के रूप में कार्य करने के लिए अपने में से 30 सदस्य निर्वाचित करें।
The question is that the motion moved by Shri Murli Manohar Joshi be adopted. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Professor K.V. Thomas.
Madam, I beg to move the following motion that the members of this House do proceed to elect in the manner required by Sub-Rule 1 of the Rule of 309 of the Rules of the Procedure of Conduct Business of the Lok Sabha, 15 members from amongst themselves to serve as members of the Committee on Public Accounts Committee from term beginning on 1st May 2015 and ending on 30th April 2016.
Yes. That the question is that the motion moved by Sri K.V. Thomas be adopted. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. Motion is adopted. Sri K.V. Thomas again.
Madam, I beg to move the following motion that this House do recommend to Rajya Sabha that Rajya Sabha do agree to nominate 7 members from Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on Public Accounts of the House for the term beginning on 1st May 2015 and ending on 30th April 2016 and do communicate to this House the names of the members so nominated by Rajya Sabha.
Yes, the question is that the motion moved by Sri K.V. Thomas be adopted. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Sri Shanta Kumar ji.
महोदया, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि इस सभा के सदस्य लोकसभा की प्रक्रिया तथा कार्य संचालन नियम के नियम 312 ख के उप नियम 1 के अंतर्गत अपेक्षित तरीके से 1 मई 2015 से आरंभ होने वाली और 30 अप्रैल 16 को समाप्त होने वाली अवधि के लिए सरकारी उपक्रमों संबंधी समिति के सदस्यों के रूप में कार्य करने हेतु अपने में से 15 सदस्यों का निर्वाचन करें।
The question is that the motion moved by Sri Shanta Kumar ji be adopted. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Again, Sri Shanta Kumar ji.
महोदया, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि यह सभा राज्यसभा से यह सिफारिश करती है कि राज्यसभा 1 मई 2015 से आरंभ होने वाली और 30 अप्रैल 2016 का समाप्त होने वाली अवधि के लिए सभा की सरकारी उपक्रमों संबंधी समिति से सहयोजित करने हेतु राज्यसभा से 7 सदस्यों को मनोनीत करने पर सहमत हो और राज्यसभा द्वारा इस प्रकार मनोनीत सदस्यों के नाम इस सभा को सूचित करें।
The question is that the motion moved by Sri Shanta Kumar ji be adopted. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Sri Phaggan Singh Kulekte ji.
महोदया, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि इस सभा के सदस्य लोकसभा के प्रक्रिया तथा कार्य संचालन नियमों के नियम 33(1) ख के उपनियम 1 द्वारा अपेक्षित रीति से 1 मई 2015 से शुरू होकर 30 अप्रैल 2016 को समाप्त होने वाली अवधि के लिए अनुसूचित जातियों तथा जनजातियों के कल्याण संबंधी समिति के सदस्य के रूप में कार्य करने के लिए अपने में से 20 सदस्य निर्वाचित करें।
The question is that the motion moved by Sri Phaggan Singh Kulekte ji be adopted. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Sri Phaggan Singh ji.
महोदया, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि यह सभा राज्यसभा से यह सिफारिश करती है कि वह अनुसूचित जातियों तथा जनजातियों के कल्याण संबंधी समिति जिसका कार्यकाल 1 मई 2015 से शुरू होकर 30 अप्रैल 2016 तक का है से सदस्यों को संबद्ध करने के लिए राज्यसभा से 10 सदस्य मनोनीत करें और अपने द्वारा मनोनीत सदस्यों के नाम इस सभा को बताएं।